In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Dev Mode in Wix. Wix is a fantastic platform for building websites without needing coding expertise, but for those of you who want to delve deeper into customization, turning on Dev Mode is the gateway to coding freedom. Dev Mode opens up new possibilities by giving you access to Velo by Wix, a full-stack development platform integrated into the Wix editor. So, let's dive in and learn how to activate this tool. To begin, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to gain access to your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your Wix sites, provided you have more than one. Choose the website you wish to access Dev Mode on and click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This will take you to the main interface where you can make design changes to your site. On the top menu of the Wix editor, you'll see an option labeled Dev Mode. It might not seem obvious at first, but this is your entry point to a more enhanced editing experience. Click on Dev Mode, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options available, select Turn on Dev Mode. By doing so, Wix will begin to load additional features related to the Velo development environment. You might notice an expanded sidebar on the left and a new Code tab on the editor. These are indicators that Dev Mode is now active. Once Dev Mode is activated, you'll have access to a range of development tools. The coding panel should open up at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can start adding custom code to your website, utilizing JavaScript. You'll also notice an expanded menu on the left. This now includes access to the Dev Mode elements like APIs, database collections, and more, providing a robust framework to integrate advanced functionalities into your site. Keep in mind that with great power comes great responsibility. Diving into Dev Mode means you're taking direct control over the code and features of your site. Always make sure to save frequently and test your new functionalities to ensure everything works smoothly. Additionally, make use of Wix's extensive support and documentation available online to guide you through any complex coding or troubleshooting you might encounter. In summary, turning on Dev Mode in Wix is straightforward but opens up a world of possibilities for those willing to explore it. Whether you want to add custom functionalities or pull data from an external source, Dev Mode can enhance your Wix experience significantly. Just remember to approach with curiosity and patience as you expand the capabilities of your digital space. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.